we have here square of sum. So first let me remind you formula. When we have a plus b to second power, this is equal a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. In our example, a is equal 5.1t and b is equal 2.2. So we will just use this formula. This is equal. First we have a to second power, so we have 5.1t to second power. We have to raise. Next we have positive sign 2 times a times b, so we have a is 5.1t times 2.2, and we have plus b squared, so we have 2.2 to second power. This is equal. Next we have multiplication here, so we need to raise to second power every term. So we have to raise to second power coefficient 5.1 to second power, and next we have t to second power plus. Next we have to multiply 2 times 5.1 and times 2.2. This is equal 22.44, and we have to copy t, and next we have plus 2.2 to second power. This is 4.84, so this is equal. Next 5.1 to second power, this is 26.01. t squared we have to copy, and the rest we have to rewrite 22.44t plus 4.84. We can not reduce anything, we don't have the like terms, so this is my solution.